You video
Get
me.
your face in.
Yeah, bro. I'm about to show y'all how to play.
Let's see what he got. Watch out. You know they have it online?
Yeah.
Are you?
One single upon it.
Yeah. So nice one. That is it.
What's good, y'all? We back to holding the phone because the fucking... I gotta practice holding with my left hand. But yeah, we back to holding the phone because... Goddamn, well, we got the racks on board, first and foremost. But we back to holding the phone because the damn gay-ass meta glasses want to overheat every fucking... Like, anytime I drive the car, it's hot right here. So I guess me looking out the window, I don't know what, bro. These things love to overheat, bro. But yeah, guys. Turbo sound video for y'all, man. Let y'all hear what this lovely turbo sound like. Turbo's kind of big, so it takes a little bit of effort. I gotta bring it all the way up to 3K for it to even spool. But it's pretty good. I love it. Do a little pull. Bomba cloud. I started spinning right there. I never even spin. That means my tire is getting bad. Because I'm spinning now. It's just that one hand sketchiness, you know? Yeah, there's a lot of traffic out here, so I can't really give y'all too much, but I can make the video exciting, you know? Alright. Get the fuck out of my way. Pops are on, but valves are closed, so we can hear the turbo scream a lot more. Look at that up there, fucking STO on the back of that truck, looking all spiffy. But yeah, guys, so y'all love the turbo sounds, man. Look at that thing, man. Clean. I need one of those. Y'all boys, Lamborghini right there. Oh, we don't got no gas. That bitch just said fuel reserve. Damn. Turbo screams crazy when the fucking valves close. I haven't been driving it like this. Crazy. Yeah, we gonna hit the 95, man. There ain't no room. Ain't no room to give y'all a good ass video. Just a turbo noise video, so we could do it on 39 miles. You know? Damn, that bitch is screaming. Let me on the 95, man. Rocket coming through. Rocket is coming through. Why is that on? Don't use that. But guys, yeah, man, I just been cooking up. I've been trying to get good content out, saving up for this built torque converter. Now I'm about to order the torque converter now in this video. So after this video now, we should have every single part we need to get this car to make 1,000 horsepower and launch. And things are just gonna be good from there, you know? I'm gonna go back on another saving journey and get right, you know? Downshift. When you enter the 95, that nigga is in the runway. Bomba clot. I can't really floor it, but you guys see it. guys. It's crazy. Got no, this is what we gotta do, but I could do a little cutout content for y'all. Fuck it, let's get cutting up then. I don't want to go too far though, so let's just do a little cutout. Bro, it's a whole different car when the fucking shit is like when the valves are closed, the car sounds so different. It's like fast but different. It's crazy. What license got on us, man? Woo! Woo! Clock, so we are one. That's easy. That's how you clear them out, man. It's too easy to cut up in this car, man. I'm only using one gear. Let me get back into traffic and get back active, man. Get back active in the traffic for y'all, man. See, the thing about Florida, there's so much space that they just clog the holes, you know what I mean? But it's too easy. It's too easy out here, man. I never force it though. Never force it. Always be safe. Always be safe. Fourth gear kicking. Fourth gear kicking. What? Fourth gear kicking, boy. Come on, man. What license got on us, man? This car ain't fast enough, bro. Look, we shooting through everything, bro. We literally just shooting through shit. Literally just shooting through shit, man. I cannot make that. My car is way too big. I am not dinging up my car for nobody. No content, no none of that shit. Fuck that. But yeah, we're gonna do a nice little run back. We came down a couple miles for y'all. Show y'all a little cut up content. I like it. It's pretty cool. Woo. Nice. Alright, now we're gonna turn back around on the 95 and see what else, see what traffic we could come in. Like, the traffic right here is kind of calm, nice and a little mellow. Nice and mellow. And it's harder when I'm not using the meta glasses because you know what I mean? I'm only recording with one finger, like one hand. Get out my way, cuz. Get out my way, cuz. Get out my way, cuz. Woo! Hope y'all enjoy this content, man. I just literally wasted all my gas for y'all, so y'all turn me up, man. Y'all turn this up, man. Yeah, guys, man, we're just going in. I'm enjoying making this content for y'all. It's just the car is unbelievable that I don't believe that it's mine. That sometimes I can't even just make content that day, you know. But every day now, we're gonna try to just make consistent content for you guys. Anything you need to ask me, bro, I listen. I listen. These cars right now, I'm on port injection. I can't go too fast on port injection when you have no gas. It'll start sucking air. So right now I'm probably sucking air. So we should definitely we could fill it up on 93 and finish our flex fuel tune on 93, or we could fucking just put more E85 in like I've been doing. But I'm probably gonna put 93 in it just so I can put it back on 93 for a little bit. You know, let it run on 93. Clean out everything. But yeah, I have been having her on E85 all year so far. She's been doing really well, you know. I've been loving it. The boost that she's making, bro, crazy. Insane. What that, M550? M550 won't smoke? Say that. Say less. Say less. gonna flip the camera because he tripping. I'm 550. You want smoke? I don't want no smoke, man. I don't know what hand I should drive it because, like, when you're cutting up, you want to be in power, so you just really want to shift. So once I get up there, then I switch hands. You know what I mean? But I don't like to have the camera like mounted up somewhere because all the vibrations, and that's all you hear in the video. So I want my videos to be nice, clean, you know. But definitely gonna give y'all some B-roll in this video. I'm gonna give y'all some good shit, man. Good shit, you know. Light change, bro. Damn, cuz how long you gonna take? Alright, the light just changed. Oh, M550 was trying to try me, bro. He was trying to try me and he took off. Fuck. Alright. Easy catch up, easy catch up. Say less. Say less. Catch up, he's right there. Easy catch up, 115. Right there. What do you want to do? I'm gonna let you go. Are you gonna go? Go ahead, go. Lead the way, go. Go. Now you tried me. You tried me, so go ahead. Oh shit. Delray police. Fuck the police. Fuck them boys. Fuck them boys. Fuck them. Fuck them boys. You just don't wanna. What you doing, cuz? You don't want this smoke, cuz. Look at him behind me. He's trying to cut up. He's trying to cut up. He's trying to cut up, boy. I just took off on this stupid ass stuff. Look at him. He can't keep up with this shit, bro. I just had to redline my shit real quick. That was not good. Let me shift. Heat up that trans, bro. Look at that fucking Spectre, bro. What the hell? This is, you only see crazy cars like this in Florida, bro. Crazy. That boy thought he had me, boy. Think around. Think again, nigga. Think again, nigga. I gotta exit. Drop RPMs. Oh, what was that? Drop RPMs. Fly like a rocket. Boom, clot. The car is in limp mode right now. I can feel it. It's not giving me full power. Oh shit. Motherfucker, I'm gonna crash into that big ass truck. God damn it. God damn it. But I'm cut up specialist. I'm cut up specialist right now. Cut up specialist. Woo. Cut up specialist. Oh no. Grab that red light. Grabbed it though. Damn, guys. That was fun. Hope y'all enjoyed the content, man. You know, I'm just trying to make some content for y'all. Give y'all some shit to enjoy, you know. We don't got no gas right now. And my pockets are on E. So you guys need to like, comment, subscribe, and get us out the ghetto. For sure.